Hi there, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and this is free audit of the website the Happy Bee Hub. And I'm on a homepage. I love the color, so it constantly gives this kind of feeling that this is bee oriented because you've got yellow and black color. So this is perfect. You include the tagline saying what is your goal. You help save bees, and you've got shop now, call to action to collections, which is perfect. You've got be kind to so 10% discount offer and top navigation. So this is really, really good. You talk about your mission. I would specify a little bit more what's the strategy? I mean, how do you contribute? Perhaps you donate percentage to certain charities also. Make sure to specify, for example, you can have a special donate or something like that page that you specify how this all works. It will give you more credibility, more trust, and will also help you improve sales. So don't be too enigmatic with how your organization works, exactly what kind of percentage exactly goes towards charities, and obviously which charities as well. Okay, so you've got big collections, very nice collection images. I would work on the images because, for example, you've got this image, the same here and the same here. So think about adding more variety as well. Um, but you've got really, really nice products. Okay, blog post, really nice content actually. Because I had a look at it earlier. Really, really nicely organized content as well. Okay, bee earrings are now on sale. Okay, so nicely displayed products. Trend in home decor. I love those button colors as well. That's a really, really nice bedding. Okay, go to product. Okay, new arrivals. So jewelry. Okay, it's perfect. So few reviews as well, newsletter sign up and the footer navigation. So very, very nicely organized homepage layout and very engaging and inviting to browse further. Remember to open the social media links in a new tab so people, when they click to your Facebook on Instagram, they don't leave your website. Otherwise, you will be losing valuable traffic. So make sure to open these external links in new tabs. Okay, so the collection page looks really fantastic. I love the clothing designs, very nicely laid out. I love how the products sort of work together, and the designs are quite clear to see. I love those, really, really like the product selection as well. Very nice, very fun to browse. Okay, you've got add to cart above the fold, nice product image, different sizes as well. I would specify which, obviously, I know that you're based in the USA, but make sure to specify if it's a US or UK because it's a different size guide, especially if you're shipping worldwide. So make sure to specify which size guide you use. Okay, so you've got offers. Perfect. Nice products. Okay, so different colors as well. So people can choose which design they want to buy. Okay, winter slippers, be ladybug. Um, I mean, it would make sense to create this as a separate product because obviously it would need a different title. It's a dog as well. This is also I don't remember the name, but obviously this is not a bee. So for SEO reasons, for traffic and for conversion rate, I would create them as separate products. You will have more selection. People will be able to see that this is Ladybug, I believe. So this is Ladybug although you've got that, but it kind of escapes you in the product title. So if you showed it as an image of a separate product, um, it will help your visitors understand these are three separate items, and will help you improve your sales as well. Because if this product was in different colors, it would make sense to have it as the same, as the same product. However, it's completely different design, so it would make sense to have it as a separate item as well. The About Us page is great. However, this also, as I mentioned at the beginning, this is too generic to really give an idea how much you donate, what kind of percentage is it, percentage from sales, is it percentage from profits, and obviously to which organization it will help you build trust and authority, and obviously boost sales if you specify to which charity you support, and obviously link to this charity as well, because it will help your visitors also understand how their sales contribute and what kind of change, what kind of difference they can make. Okay, I understand that you offer free shipping worldwide, so this is really, really nice. If I were you, I would add more details here to cover all of those questions your potential buyers might have, such as what kind of couriers you use, whether you use tracking services, whether you deliver to work, business address, and so on, because free shipping worldwide is just not enough to really convey this kind of trust and authority. Returns policy is a little bit more detailed. I would hyperlink the email address for a one-click contact. I would optimize this page also because there are unnecessary gaps between paragraphs. And also here, I didn't even realize that you are based in Germany because your prices are in US, but I know many obviously if you target US audience, mm, you want to display your prices in dollars. However, now going back to the size guide, um, you will need to specify whether it's European size guide that you're using or whether it's US size guide, because it would be a good idea to have either a specified size guide um, or have different size guide for different parts of the world, because obviously different countries use different metric systems. So make sure to take that into consideration as well. Contact us page looks great. I would use the page contact template from Shopify to display the message form as well, to make it easier for people to contact you. For some reason, your text has got this kind of oversized gaps between paragraphs, so that could be due to some kind of unnecessary coding, the errors in the coding that create those gaps. So remember to check that, and also hyperlink the email address for one-click contact as well. Your SEO score is 51 out of 100, so that's definitely room for improvement. Your Google snippet is optimized. However, make sure not to go over 165 characters when it comes to your meta description, because otherwise will be cut off in the search results. Also, remember to add H1 tag. This is really important for Google, and use tags in the right order, such as H1, H2, H3, H4, H5. Remember to add more content to the website. The written content is very, very important for Google. So keep adding more blog posts, more pages. This will further improve your SEO. And remember to optimize each images with SEO-friendly alt tags. They also improve how your website displays in Google, how obviously Google bots index your content. You've got a number of broken links, so I would definitely recommend working on these because they can not only affect how Google index your website, but also it can affect your sales. If people keep seeing broken images, broken links, keep seeing error pages, it can be very discouraging from browsing further. So people will be leaving your website. So make sure to fix those broken links. I hope you found this audit useful. If you did, please leave a positive review on my Trustpilot profile. And if you'd like to speak with our Shopify expert, ask about how to optimize your website for conversion, how to fix any of those elements mentioned in a critique, please book your free chat now. The link is in the email. This 15-minute non-obligation chat is your chance to ask our Shopify expert any questions about your website optimization. So don't miss this opportunity. Book this chat now. And thank you very much for your time. It was Maggie from Rock Paper Copy. Bye bye.